Hello children.
Hello teacher.
How are you?
We are fine.
There is a song that I want us to sing. Sawa?
Yes.
Cheche kule.
Cheche kule. Cheche kofisa. Kofisa yanga. Koko shiranga. Tum. Agende. Tum. Agende. Tum.
I've not heard. Let's sing together. Cheche kule, let's go. Yes, good morning children.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine.
Now it is time for environmental. It's time for?
Environmental.
It is time for environmental. Under environmental, we are going to learn my home. My home. And then we are going to learn kitchen utensil. Kitchen mother in the kitchen cooking chapati. Mother in the kitchen cooking ugali. Let's go. Now sit down.
Thank you, teacher. Welcome today.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Good. Now we are learning my home. My home. We are learning what? We are learning what? We are learning what? Yes. Kitchen utensil. Kitchen. Yes. So kitchen utensils, these are items found in the kitchen. Items found in the kitchen. Vitu ambavyo vinapatikana jikoni. Vitu ambavyo vinapatikana wapi?
Jikoni.
Vitu ambavyo vinapatikana wapi?
Jikoni.
Ukienda nyumbani, ukiangalia jikoni yenu, utaona kuna vitu fulani ambayo inapatikana hapo. Vitu fulani ambayo inapatikana wapi? Hapo. Yes. So under kitchen utensil, tunaenda kuchora. Tunaenda kufanya nini?
Kuchora.
Tunaenda kufanya nini?
Kuchora.
We are going to draw. This one is a sufuria. This one is a?
Sufuria.
This one is a?
Sufuria.
This one is a?
Sufuria.
A big sufuria. A big?
Sufuria.
So this one is a sufuria. A sufuria. A sufuria. With me here, I also have a sufuria. I also what have a?
Sufuria.
I have a sufuria, a very big sufuria. Yes. I have a very big sufuria here. I have my kitchen here. Have you seen my sufuria?
Sufuria.
What is this?
Sufuria.
What is this?
Sufuria.
What is this?
Sufuria.
What is this?
Sufuria.
Hey, class, what is this?
Sufuria.
Yes, this is my sufuria. I cook ugali here. Yes, I cook ugali, then I eat it. So this is a sufuria. Very good. This is a sufuria. With me here, I also have something else. This one.
Knife.
This one is called knife. This one is called what?
Knife.
This one is called what?
Knife.
Yes, I use it to chop some potato. I cut some onion, I cut some onion and tomato. This one is a knife. This one is a
Knife.
This one is a
Knife.
This one is a
Knife.
This one is a
Knife.
Yes. So let me draw for you a knife. That is a knife. That is a
Knife.
That is a
Knife.
That is a
Knife.
Yes, that's a knife. With me here also, I have something else. Now, this is a glass. This is a
Glass.
This is a
Glass.
This is a
Glass.
This is a
Glass.
This is a
Glass.
Yes. Now, let me draw for you a glass.
Glass.
Glass. This is a
Glass.
This is a
Glass.
This is a
Glass.
Very good. Now, yes? Okay. Now, here I have something else. What is this?
Spoon.
Very good. So I have here a spoon. I have what?
Spoon.
I have what?
Spoon.
Asma, what is this? Yes?
Spoon.
Yes, a spoon. Can you say a spoon?
Spoon.
A spoon.
Spoon.
A spoon.
Spoon.
Now let me draw for you a spoon. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, so we said this is a spoon. This is a
Spoon.
This is a
Spoon.
This is a
Spoon.
Yes, this is my spoon. Okay. This is also a big spoon. This is also a big. This is a big spoon. This is a big.
Spoon.
Have you seen a big spoon?
A big spoon.
Yes. And then this one is a small spoon. Small.
Spoon.
Small.
Spoon.
Then this one is a big spoon. A big.
Spoon.
Yes. Now here I have a jug. This is a. Have you seen a jug? Hey, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Hey, Buck, what is this? Yes? Yusra, what is this? Yes, this is a jug. Very good. Now let me draw for you a jug. Let me draw for you a. Mona jug ya teacher. This is a jug. This is a. 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 Very good. Now, last but not least, I also have something here. Yes. So this is called a plate. This is called what? This is called what? This is called what? Shuraimi, what's this? Yes. Shuhaib, what's this? Yes. Salman, what's this? Abdafid, what's this? Yes, this is a. Yasir, what's this? Yes? Yes? Yes. Jackson, what's this? Very good. So this is a. This is a. This is a. Good. So let me draw for you a plate. Let me draw for you what? Now this is a plate. This is a. This is a. This is a. Now, class, today we have learned my home. We have learned what?
My home.
Under my home, we have learned kitchen utensil. Kitchen. Kitchen. Now, under kitchen utensil, we have drawn some items. We have drawn some. Now, what is this class?
Sufuria.
What is this class?
Sufuria.
Then, what is this?
Knife.
Yes?
Knife.
This one?
Knife.
Now, what about this one?
Glass.
Yes?
Glass.
Now, what about this one?
Spoon.
What is this?
Spoon.
Then, what's this?
Glass.
Again?
Glass.
And then this one?
Plate.
Yes?
Plate.
Now, girls peke yao. Girls alone. Girls alone. Okay. Girls, what is this?
Sufuria.
Again?
Sufuria.
Then this one?
Knife.
Yes?
Knife.
What about this one?
Glass.
Yes?
Glass.
Then this one?
Spoon.
Again?
Spoon.
Then this one?
Glass.
Again?
Glass.
This one?
Glass.
Plate.
Plate.
This one?
Plate.
Aya, boys peke yao. What is this?
Sufuria.
Then this one?
Knife.
Yes?
Knife.
Then this one?
Glass.
Yes?
Glass.
This one?
Spoon.
Yes?
Spoon.
Then this one?
Glass.
Again?
Glass.
Then this one?
Glass.
Yes. So that's what we have learned today. Now you stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Yes. Now, mother in the kitchen.
Mother in the kitchen, cooking chapati. I like chapati. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Mother in the kitchen cooking ugali.
Mother in the kitchen, cooking ugali. I like ugali. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Mother in the kitchen cooking githeri.
Mother in the kitchen, cooking chapati.
I like githeri.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yes. Hello, children.
Hello, teacher.
Now we shall learn the next lesson. Goodbye.